Hey, today we're going to learn how to use ChatGPT to practice Python. The two main use cases for this is one, actually learning Python, and two, practicing for technical interviews. So let's dive in. All right, first thing we're going to do is head on over to ChatGPT, and we're going to be using the free version today. I have ChatGPT Plus, but GPT 3.5 is the free version. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste the prompt that is in the description below. And this is simply telling ChatGPT to act as a program that lets us practice our Python questions. And so it'll say, sure, let's do this. And so what we're going to do is just say, provide me with a beginner level Python practice question. And I'll return one here. So practice question is write a Python function called calculate average that takes a list of numbers as input and returns the average of those numbers. If the input list is empty, the function should return 0. And it does provide you with an example here. So I'm going to use Jupyter Notebooks to run through this, but if you want to, you can simply use ChatGPT. So I'm going to do it in Jupyter Notebooks just because it's a little easier to work with and modify and see some of the syntax and everything. But again, we're going to come back here. We're going to feed it into ChatGPT when we're done to check it and get some feedback on it. All right, let's dive in here. All right, so I'm going to take this practice question. Now I have my Jupyter Notebooks open. I'm going to put it in here in the Markdown, add a line here. And so we'll start out by creating a function called calculate average. And then if the length is equal to 0, we're going to return 0. Else return the sum of numbers divided by the length of numbers. And so if we want to put this in and show if it works, let's go back here and we'll pull one of these examples. And we'll do print. And let's see, it works 3 here and 3 there. So let's feed this into ChatGPT and see what it has to say. All right, it says, great job. You did a good job on it. And so the nice thing about this is you can actually hone how you want to practice Python. So if there's certain libraries you want to practice, if you're preparing for a technical interview, this is a great way to generate some practice questions. It's also a great way to learn Python and really get skilled with some of those basic concepts within Python. And it gives you somebody that you can ask why you should do it a certain way, or if you do it this certain way, will it work or not work? And so there's instantaneous feedback. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you get something out of this that you can get better at Python with. And as always, stay nerdy, my friends.